Every year we expect smartphones to improve. But this year, Samsung didn't just improve anything, they reinvented the entire flagship experience. Today, we're exploring the brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 series. The Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and the highly advanced S26 Ultra. These devices bring real AI intelligence, stronger privacy controls, brighter displays, and professional-grade camera upgrades. If you're thinking about upgrading your phone in 2026, this might be the most important video you watch. The S26 lineup introduces Samsung's freshest design language. All models look minimal, premium, and precise, with flat sides, polished metal frames, and the clean floating lens camera layout Samsung is now famous for. The Galaxy S26 comes with a compact body. The S26 Plus offers a larger feel without being bulky, and the S26 Ultra delivers a squared, executive look with a titanium frame that feels unbelievably solid. The devices are slimmer, lighter, and more balanced in the hand. Samsung clearly designed the S26 series to feel premium every time you pick it up. All three S26 phones feature upgraded Dynamic AMOLED 2X displays with adaptive refresh rates from 1Hz all the way to 120Hz. Colors are deeper, contrast is stronger, and outdoor visibility is significantly better than last year. The Galaxy S26 has a 6.3-inch screen, compact but powerful. The S26 Plus steps up to 6.7 inches. The S26 Ultra stretches the experience to a stunning 6.9-inch QHD Plus panel. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or scrolling social media, this generation is brighter, smoother, and easier on the eyes. The entire S26 lineup is powered by Samsung's most advanced processing system ever. Depending on your region, you get either the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 or Samsung's new Exynos 260. Both versions focus on strong performance, better thermal management, and higher AI processing power. From gaming to video editing to multitasking, these phones stay fast and responsive. And with the upgraded power efficiency, the S26 series lasts longer throughout the day even with heavy usage. The cameras are one of the biggest reasons people upgrade, and Samsung delivered major improvements here. On the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus, you get a refined 50MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP telephoto lens offering 3x zoom. Photos come out sharper, brighter, and more consistent in every lighting condition. But the real leap is the Galaxy S26 Ultra. It features a massive 200MP primary sensor that captures incredible detail. You also get a 50MP ultra-wide lens and a new 50MP 5x telephoto lens that performs beautifully in low light. Zoom is cleaner, night mode is stronger, and portrait mode now looks more natural than ever. Video performance also got a huge upgrade. Smoother stabilization, richer colors, and better dynamic range. If you're a creator or someone who wants the best camera possible, the Ultra is on an entirely different level. This year, Samsung shifted from basic AI tricks to true integrated intelligence. The S26 series introduces powerful on-device AI features designed to make your daily tasks faster and more natural. Live translation works instantly, even offline. Call screening lets the phone answer suspicious calls and summarize conversations for you. The new Now Nudge system gives subtle, smart reminders without being annoying. And Photo Assist lets you edit images by simply describing what you want. No complex software needed. This is AI that genuinely understands you, adapts to you, and works quietly in the background to simplify your life. One of the most impressive new features is Samsung's focus on privacy. The Galaxy S26 Ultra introduces a privacy display mode that limits side-angle viewing, preventing people from peeking at your screen in public spaces. It's subtle, invisible, and extremely effective. Samsung Knox is now even more integrated, giving you protected folders, secure payments, and hardware-level security that shields your data from threats. Your phone truly becomes a safe, private space that only you control. The battery experience in the S26 series is built for long, stress-free usage. The Galaxy S26 includes a 43.0 mAh battery. The S26 Plus moves to 49.0 mAh, and the S26 Ultra delivers a strong 5,000 mAh power cell. Thanks to better chipset efficiency and optimized power management, all three phones provide excellent screen-on time. Fast charging has improved as well, especially on the Ultra, which reaches 75% in around half an hour. It's convenient, fast, and perfect for people who are always on the go. The Galaxy S26 starts as the compact flagship. It's for users who want powerful specs in a smaller body. The S26 Plus is the balanced model, great display, solid battery life, and a premium feel at a lower price than the Ultra. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is the crown jewel. This one is for creators, mobile photographers, professionals, and anyone who wants the absolute best Samsung has to offer. The Samsung Galaxy S26 series represents a clear step into the future. Better design, better cameras, better performance, and smarter AI, all packed into devices that feel more personal and more capable than ever before. If your phone is one of the most important tools in your daily life, the S26 series gives you more control, more creativity, and more power in your pocket. Thank you for watching Reshaping Life. If you want more detailed breakdowns, speed tests, comparisons, or camera reviews, just let me know below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more content that reshapes your digital world.